Tuto number 5. Connect Rango to the GoSense Rango app.
Hi, I'm Alex from GoSense. In this tutorial, we will see how to pair Rango to your smartphone. Rango works with the Rango application from GoSense, available on Android and iOS. Once installed, don't forget to enable mobile data and Bluetooth on your smartphone. Next, you have to open the Rango app from GoSense. In the Connection tab, press the button Start Pairing. Then, on your Rango, make a short press on the big menu button. Connection can take up to a few seconds.
Rango is connected.
Once you've heard the Rango is connected audio cue, the pairing will be successful. As long as you're not unpairing your Rango from the application, the connection will be established automatically. If you're willing to unpair Rango from the app, power off first your Rango by making a long press on the big Rango button. Then, open the Parameters tab and click on Unpair this Rango. You're now able to pair and unpair Rango to your smartphone. See you soon for a new tutorial.